every single moment, every single hours, minute, second. You need to guys enjoy that.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
It's me, Trisha.
I'm Sean.
And Ash.
Welcome back sa aming channel. Hi everyone, it's me, Trisha, and welcome back to Sean and Trisha Couple Vlog. So for today's video, I will share guys ano yung ganap, ano yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. So, as you can see, I have Jackstone here. Ando pa yung iba. And when I was elementary, 11 years old, I remember playing this and I really enjoy playing this. Na kapag naglalaro ka nito, like before kasi you're not, hindi ka nag-think sa mga problems, you just enjoy playing. And now, you know, some kids not playing like this anymore, they always on their phones. And last time, me and sister-in-law playing this and we enjoy it because we miss it. And that time also, while we playing, me and my man, right, we on the video call. And he saw I'm playing this. Because guys, I really miss this, you know. And sabi ko, I want to buy the Chinese garter. But this one muna yung inuna ko. And then my mom got me so my last time my mom said to me, I got you a game na pwede mong i-try, na nilalaro namin to dito sa amin. Nakita ko na rin siya laruin yun kasama si Ashlan, kasama yung mama niya. So sabi niya sa akin, try ko daw laruin yun, and I don't know how to play this, but I will try and maybe I will learn how to play it. So, I will invite my sister-in-law, siblings to play this, you know. And dumating siya today. Just arrived today. It's actually 2 games. Ito yung first. Hindi ko pa siya ino-open kasi I will wait my mom before I open it. So, ito yung first na game. Hindi ko alam anong itsura nito sa loob kasi I don't have any idea. And yung second naman, ito. So, sabi niya sa akin, kuha kita ng Uno. Guys, hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo sa Uno. It's called Uno eh. And I hear that before, and I saw my mom, Ashlan, and his mom playing that. So I'm curious how to play it. And because I don't have idea, but I hear that Uno. So, hindi ko alam kung sa dito yung Uno, kung ito ba or ito. So yeah, 2 games na binili niya. So, hindi ko pa siya open because I need to wait my mom. Well, my mom always saying to me, why not open it? Because I want you to see me while open it. I want to, guys, if he gets something for me, I want him, I want to open it, you know, while in the video call. Like, I want na i-open siya kapag naka-video call kami para makita niya. So, I always wait him before I open it. So, kaya ito yung 2 games na sinasabi ko. Di ko alam kung ano yung Uno dito. Pero, feeling ko this one is the Uno. I don't know. I don't know what is this. I forgot. Well, he mentioned to me what it's, what he will order. Di ko alam kung ano yun. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Pero yun. Basta ito yun, dalawa. So, hindi ko siya open. Dumating siya kanina lang. So, yeah guys, mamaya update ko na lang kayo kung anong itsura niya. Susubukan ko mag-record. Sana makapag-record ako. Bye! Ngayon ko lang siya mapapakita guys kasi may ginawa ko. Naglaba ko ng mga damit. Kasi hindi ko na nalaban yung mga damit ko. Ang dami ko nang labahan. So inuna ko muna yun. Tapos hindi ko na natuloy yung vlog. That's why ngayon ko siya pinapakita sa inyo. So makapansin nyo, iba na naman yung damit ko kasi different day ko siya nagawa. Actually parang 3rd day ngayon. Kasi last time ako nag-vlog ngayon. So yeah, let's start! Hey guys! It's me! Welcome back! And for today's video, ito na guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga toys or mga game na binili sa akin ni Remrem. So, ito pala yung Monopoly. No, I thought ito yung, akala ko talaga ito yung Uno. Pero I'm wrong. So, ito yung Monopoly guys, na pinakita ko sa inyo last time na nakabalot pa. So, ito yung Monopoly. And actually, familiar to sa akin kasi if I'm not wrong, have Monopoly online games. And I saw that before online, but I never played that. And now, I have this And I want to play this with my siblings and sister-in-law. So meron din siyang ganito guys. And anyway, nilabas ko na siya para hindi na mahirapan. So meron siyang ganyan. Kumbaga parang paramihan kung ilan yung mabili mong station. Something like that. So have different change. Liverpool Street Station, Bond Street. So yan. Ayan siya. Tapos meron siya neto guys. Meron siya neto na may card. So, may card siya. And then, meron siya ditong white na nakalagay. Kumbaga, ayan yung parang ihahagis mo para malaman mo kung ilang ganun. Parang ganun. Ewan. And then, meron din siyang money. Fake money lang to guys. Tapos, may green and red. So, parang feeling ko, ito yung ilalagay mo doon sa each na station. Ganun. And, itong money guys have different color. So, white, red, blue, green, purple, yellow, and orange. So, I like the purple since that's my favorite color. And, meron silang ganito doon. Dito pa nalagay siya ng pera. And then, next guys. So, next guys is yung Uno. Ito yung Uno guys. Pakita ko na pala sa inyo. Yan yung Uno. So, before, meron ako nakita doon sa condo before guys. I saw Uno. Pero ang style niya naman is para siyang kahoy, ganun. Tapos I never play this. That's why I don't have idea how to play this. But my man told me na he will teach me how to play. And ganito yung Uno guys. So ayan siya. Red and green. Actually, meron dito. So meron dito, ayan pa. So different, anong kulay nito? Red and green din ata to. Yeah, green, red din siya. Same ata. So, my man said to me last night, na he play with me, even we on the video call, we're going to play, so he will teach me how to play this. And I'm happy kasi he insists na turuan ako how to play that Uno. Because Ashlan actually playing this Uno also, and Sean's mom, Sean, I saw them playing and they enjoy it. So I want to try this, and if I know already how to play this, I will play with my siblings also. But now, as I want to focus to to learn how to play, and my mom's gonna teach me how to play this. So yun siya guys, tatlo lang siya. Meron naman siyang instruction dito, pero gusto ko pa rin na sila marami magturo sa akin para malaman ko. Kasi yung mga instruction dito, basta may siya, may language na iba yung niya. Basta ayun, gusto ko lang sila magturo sa akin kung paano lang siya laruin. So, yes guys. And then, sa likod nito guys, may nakalagay na if you collect 25 cards in your hand and you are out of the game. So, bawal na 25 cards yung nasa sayo. Kasi pag 25 cards yung hawak mo, talo ka na. Ligwak ka na sa game. Ganon. And, may mga meaning siya actually. May mga meaning yung likod niya. Ay, likod niya. Ba tawag dito? So, may mga meaning to. May mga meaning yung ganyan-ganyan guys. So, di ko na ma-explain ngayon. Kasi di naman ako genius. So, I will wait my months to teach me how to play this. Hi everyone. So, I'm here. And welcome back again to our channel. And for today, I'm here on Abal. Kasi ito yung gusto kong place every time na I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling better. I'm not feeling well. Like, ito lang yung place na alam ko sa sarili ko na makakatulong. So guys, I will show to you kung gaano kainit dito ngayon. So, look at that guys. Ganito kainit here right now. So, ayun, may mga student doon. And doon ako nag-slow jog. And yeah, napakainit ang panahon. Look at that, oh. Just enjoy your life. So guys, I go here 11 AM. So it's almost 3 hours ako ang andito. And nakaupo lang. And just doing slow jog and then rest. And then ito, sat and doing this vlog. And nakita nyo naman pala yung pinakita kong toys na in-order ni Remrem na susubukan kong i-game. I really want to try that game also. And by the way guys, someone stranger here she hugged me because I asked her na, ate, can you please hug me? No, I want. And ang sarap sa pakiramdam when someone hug you, even that person is not know you, you know. And now I'm here alone guys, and just doing this kind of thing that I really love to do it since before, and now I'm doing it. I just bring my towel. Actually, this one is Sean's towel, my bag, and then power bank, of course. And I'm not bringing water. And gosh, I really want to drink water now. So I think later I'm going home and try to find the water here, and I will buy because I really need. So yun guys, napaka sad girl ko ngayon. I'm not feeling okay, but I will do it. And always guys, na palagi kong tinithankful kay God na nandito pa rin ako, nakaupo. And I'm always thankful sa mga bagay-bagay. And always guys, remember, you need to enjoy your life while you here in this world. Enjoy every single moment, every single hours, minute, second. You need to guys enjoy that, kasi one day we don't know what happened to us tomorrow, today, later. So while you're here in this world, enjoy your life and doing the stuff you want to do in your life, and just do it, and you know, make memories before you're gone. Yun lang guys, update ko lang kayo later when I back home. Bye bye.